So part 8, is it? I think. Anyway, we've now gone through all the main things that I see that people have initial problems with, and I'd just like to give you a very quick summary of setting up the position of your iPad. So part 8 is just to recap some of the stuff. If you've understood it all so far, well done. If you're still watching it, well done, because it's probably gone on a way bit. As I say, it is very, very, very straightforward once you understand the logic of it. You've got the key components. What are the key components? Well, the key components are what I've got in front of me here. That's all you need. Cheapo plastic stand, $10, £8, something like that. That's it. That's all you need. Fold it up, put it in your bag, job done. OSMO, $10, put it away when you've finished. That's it. That's all you need. These two little things here in order to draw effectively with Camera Lucida. iPad, obviously, that's it. The only other things that people get very confused about is where do I find my setup pictures? My setup pictures are either this one, manual mode, this one, automatic mode. Okay, where do I find manual mode? Manual mode is go to the front camera, go to more, select print save helper, job done. Okay, the background there. Where do I go for automatic mode? Okay, automatic mode, you see the picture up here of the automatic picture that you want to get hold of. You press that button. It says, it tells you what to do. Press the more button to change or print the image. So you go more, print, save, target. Top option will print out or save this image. Why do you want to save it? Well, you want to save it because you may not be connected to a printer, and you want to save it so that you can then copy it to your desktop or laptop or whatever and print it directly out. Once you've got it, keep it flat. I put it onto a bit of card. And I keep these two with the Camera Lucida. So in summary, all you need is your automatic or manual or both of those. You need your OSMO reflector. You need your stand. Stand, $10. OSMO, $10. That's it. Old iPad. This iPad, 7 years old, something like that. It's running iOS 10 point something, and it still works. I know it's ancient, but it's great. So that's it in a summary. Hope you've enjoyed these little tips and tricks for Camera Lucida, and I hope maybe perhaps it's slightly helped you understand some of the little pitfalls that people seem to be getting into. Any questions, queries, let me know, and if you can, please whack a like or subscribe to my channel where I bang on about Camera Lucida and other things that may interest you in the art world. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.